Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to install a Dyson V8 docking station, quick wall mount and setup guide. Step 1. Choose the location and check for wires. Now select a spot near a power outlet so the charging cable can reach without being tightly stretched. And use a stud finder and ensure there are no hidden pipes, gas, water or air, or any electrical wires directly behind the mounting area. Step 2. Measure the mounting height. The bottom of the docking station should be positioned at least 47.5 inches or 120 centimeters from the floor. This distance ensures that your Dyson vacuum fits perfectly into the dock without touching the floor. Step 3. Route the charging cable. Before securing the dock to the wall, feed the power cable through the rear of the docking plate. Then secure it with the built-in retainer clips, leaving the charging plug exposed in the small bracket at the front of the dock. Step 4. Mark and drill the holes. Now hold the docking bracket level against the wall at the correct height and use a pencil to mark the two screw holes. Then drill holes using the appropriate size drill bit for your wall type. For example, a masonry bit for brick or a standard bit for drywall. Then insert the included wall anchors. Step 5. Secure the dock. Align the back plate of the dock with the holes and drive the screws through the bracket into the wall plugs or studs. Tighten them firmly but avoid over-tightening, which can strip the holes. Then finally clip the front facing of the dock securely over the back plate. Step 6. Test the setup. Now plug the power adapter into the wall outlet and hang your Dyson V8 in the dock so that the power jack automatically aligns with the charging port on the vacuum. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.